Hello, good evening, and good to talk to you again. I do have a speech, but I don't want to go through my speech. I just wanted to welcome you again, and just wanted to say that I've really enjoyed the sessions today. There was so much that I've heard that we have in common, from the mayor's speech to the whole discussion, the issues that we have, the opportunities that we have, and you're looking at industry, looking at where industry is going, the focus on sustainability, the challenge that we have with energy, the energy situation, the energy transition. And I think we have a lot of common issues and opportunities and examples. And I think we've been fortunate in the UAE, where we have the whole spectrum of energy, and we've been working on a lot of the solutions, where we're maybe one of the pioneers in our region when it comes to carbon sequestration. We're one of the few countries where we have oil and gas operations that are powered by renewables. We have made commitments to our net zero goals by 2050, and we see that transition happening, but we see all components playing to that transition. And part of what we do in the Ministry of Industry is looking at industry, looking at advanced technology, and we also are in charge of the standards and regulations that promote not just industry but trade. And that's something that we also discussed. How do we promote trade? How do we accelerate that trade between countries, and also accelerate technologies and new industries? So without going into too much detail, one of the things, and one of the things we wanted to bring to this summit is something we started a few months ago, the Make It in the Emirates campaign. And we wanted to share with you some of the opportunities that we have for investment in UAE. And these are areas that provide collaboration opportunities between industries here and industries in the UAE. And we have a distinguished panel of speakers today that represent some of our main companies, our main industrialists in the UAE. So I hope you get a good glimpse of what we do in the United Arab Emirates in terms of industry and some of the opportunities that we have on offer. Thank you.